Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart
have a very exciting creative video today. I have a Christmas lights blue look. I got this inspiration from Richie, I don't know how to say her name, but she did it a few days ago and it is stunning, so I'm going to take inspiration from her. Obviously mine is no way going to be as neat as hers. I don't know how they do it, but I'm going to give it my best shot. If you want to see how I created this, then please keep on watching. Can't do a Christmas video without my headband. This smells like Christmas because it smells like tinsel. Inspiration for this look is from this Instagram account here. She's absolutely stunning. She does the perfect looks. Stunning. She uploaded this and I just wanted to recreate it straight away because it is stunning. Mine is definitely not as good as hers because hers is amazing. So yeah, I'm going to try and recreate this on my other eye now. This one did take me a while because of the detail and stuff, but yeah, hopefully it's going to be okay. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I am in my dressing gown, yes, again, because I just love being in my dressing gown and Christmas is all about being cozy and warm. So for eye base today I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Correct White Concealer. If you want to know the face makeup and stuff that I don't mention in this video that I have on my face, then please look in the description box below because it will be in there. It always is. I always link and list the products I use in videos or if I have them on my face. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. Everyone was saying that this was going to be discontinued. I think they did discontinue it for a while, but they brought it back and even better than ever apparently. But I do have the older one. I do want to get the newer version just to see if there's any difference, but I do really like this palette. First I'm going to take this dark blue shade. I'm just popping this in my crease. Now I'm going to take the lighter blue in the palette, which is this one, and I'm just going to go over the line and blend it out. We have a nice contrast from the dark blue to the light blue. Okay, so now I'm going to take cotton bud and try and get rid of some of this blue because I want it to be as white as possible when I cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the white concealer, put a little bit on the back of my hand and cut the crease. Okay, so next I'm going to take the white in the palette and pat that all over the lid space. Okay, so now for the very tricky part. So I'm going to try and copy what I've done on this eye and then sort it out on this eye, you know? So I'm going to use the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner. This isn't the best one to use, but it's really black and it goes matte. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, so that is the breathtaking part done. Now I'm going to do the lights. So I'm taking the NYX Vivid Brights liners. I have the blue one, which is Sapphire. I have the red, which is Fire, the yellow, which is Halo, and then the green, which is Envy. So I'm going to start with the green, because that's what I did on the other eye. So I'm going to let them dry for a little bit. So now I'm going to take the NYX white liquid liner. This isn't the best white liquid liner, but I'm going to put little white lines in the lights just to make it look like the lights are on. Okay, so that is the dramatic part done. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line. So first I'm going to take the lighter blue that we took. Then I'm going to take the darker blue. For the inner corner I'm going to take the Barry M highlighter. I'm going to just take the silver part. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow done. To the upper waterline I'm going to use a black pencil liner. And then in the lower waterline I'm going to take the Colourpop cream gel liner in the shade Prance, which is a nice like baby blue. But the lashes I'm going to take today are the Eden lashes in the style E01. They're not too much because I want the detail to be on the eyes and not to be covered up by the eyelashes. So whilst the glue is drying, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara to my bottom and top lashes. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think it is one of my favourites so far. It just looks so creative and festive. Yeah, let me know down below if you liked this video, if you want to see more Christmas looks. I have got a series going on at the moment, 12 Days of Christmas, so go check that out. I'll put the playlist up in the eye up there so you can see that. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more looks like this. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.